Let's go treasure hunting. I mean dumpster diving. This is why it's worth it to dig. That's like medical equipment. Heart start. It's like an AED thing. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a defibrillator, all right. Another one. Oh boy. More of these. Dude, this thing is full. Full of these things. Oh boy. All right, maybe I should look these up and see if they're worth anything before I actually take every fucking one of them, so. If anything, maybe we can figure out how to properly recycle them, because they're definitely electronics of some kind. Kind of cool little totes though. And you know, even if these are all toast, all these cases are pretty cool. Like very durable, meant to last a long time. I'm gonna be setting up a Shopify store where people can buy all the stuff that I'm finding, because there's been a lot of demand, and like, you know, these could be like lunch boxes or something really cool.